Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madison Olivia, and today I'm going to be making some keto muffins, blueberry flavored keto muffins with my boyfriend. We're gonna kind of record the process. We're gonna rate the recipe. We found it online. I mentioned the recipe, where it's from, and later on in the video, as well as I'll put it in the description box. But let's see, hopefully they turn out great, because they're basically one net carb. So for the girl who's obsessed with carbs, if these are good, I might have to start making them more often, because I need to find some healthier sweets. So let's pray. Let's do a little prayer. Hope these are good. Hope you enjoy watching. Please follow, subscribe, ring the bell. It helps my channel grow. So today we're going to be making keto muffins. They're from chocolatecoveredkatie.com. I will put the link in the description box. We have all our ingredients out. It's going to call for 1 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of powdered erythritol, 1/4 of a cup of milk, 1 large egg, 1/2 a tablespoon of baking powder, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. And then it says optional chocolate chips. We decided we're going to do blueberries instead. So, and I think we might double this, because it says it only makes 4 full-size cupcakes or 14 mini ones. So I think we'll do just maybe double it and make a few more. But that is what we're gonna do, and we're gonna get started now. And now I fast forward.
So we're just doubling this? So we're just doubling it. I have almost 80,000 miles on the phone.
Okay, let me think. Got it. Blueberries. Or maybe like half their share. Make them nice and juicy. I think the blueberries will make it. All right, so they are out of the oven. They're looking like this. We have 2 right here to taste test. And we're gonna let you know what we think.
Well, she's tasted horrible.
We'll see. It's moist, that's good. We ended up doing them for 15 minutes. We did a double batch of them, so. They're pretty good. Mmm. They're really moist. They're sweet.
Kinda.
Mm.
Tastes like cornbread.
It's like almond cornbread with blueberries. Pretty good.
I don't know.
I don't hate it. How are you feeling about it?
They're not horrible. They're just not muffins.
Not muffins?
They're like corn.
Just got blueberries all over me. It's fine.
They're definitely not muffins.
That's me for you.
It's
They're
cornbread. We make cornbread.
I mean
With
almond
blueberries.
flour, cornbread with blueberries.
It's definitely cornbread. This would be a way better cornbread recipe. Seriously, put some cheese.
Maybe they need to be sweeter. Maybe add like some cinnamon or something. They're not bad.
They're not bad.
They're definitely not sugar.
They're not very sweet.
But yeah,
But they're not bad though.
I guess that wraps up our video almost. What
I
were
give
you
it a
saying?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10? Okay.
Valiant effort.
I'll say 5. Pretty good. I mean, I'd eat them. I don't like crave that, but I love sugar. They don't convert me to the keto way of life, but they're edible. If you're really wanting a blueberry muffin, don't expect it to taste like a blueberry muffin and be super sweet like one, but
Yeah, definitely.
maybe add cinnamon. I really think cinnamon might help. That get you that streusel-y cinnamon sugar vibe. I don't know. And definitely maybe more of that swerve stuff. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Like the video down below, comment, and please subscribe. And I will talk to you guys soon in another video. Bye-bye.